Yes, you're on a boat. We are driving to an island. Let's see.
Maybe this is why no one came over here. It's jungle. Actual jungle.
It's a jungle.
Oh, they're walking back?
Yeah, they're like, the f is this beach? Yeah, it seems sus. Oh yeah, no, we should...
Let's head back! Let's head back!
That's so boring! We have arrived at the beach. Well, there are a lot more people than on the other side, but at least it is an actual beach and not a hole in the bottom. But yeah, it looks nice. The water looks really, really clean. Oh, sheesh. Bring him here. I can't touch it.
They don't pinch.
I'm scared.
They're so tight. Samuel, you're coming with me.
Bro, your time has come. Sorry.
Oh, where's Samuel?
He's not moving right now.
Oh, I see him. Look at me scaring Samuel.
I'm so mean. You are, especially because like we can't. Oh Lord! Oh, he's so fast! Oh my god! Sorry, we fled from the guys behind us. As you can see, there's this huge dark cloud coming. I don't know if this is gonna be bad, but we will see. This side, on the other hand, looks very good still. So we're just gonna have a walk like in this direction. Hey, what do you think, Jasmine? Are you excited?
It's really loud.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Sorry, one more.
ドイツから。
ドイツ。
はい。
Where are you from?
Japan.
I should tell my viewers where we actually are.
What is this, Minna Island?
Minna Island.
Hey girl, hey! So it's getting windy. It is typhoon season and some people are packing their stuff, so I'm not quite sure what to think of this. But Jasmine said I should not worry. I will not worry. And like none of the lifeguards said that we need to leave, so seems fine for now, I guess. So we hope it's gonna be fine. But yeah. And Jasmine is collecting crabs and trying to film them. So I'm just gonna stay here. We are finished at the beach. We're like so tired. Like all our makeup is gone. We look a little bit done, but we're gonna go back to the port now, and we're gonna try to get some food. Also, we got like super tan in like time of like nothing.
Wait,
It was
you
so
showing
fun.
your tan in the video? It's like
Not at all, right? It just, you can't really see it.
you have to do a comparison.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I'll do that later. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the port to get some food. Just in time before that thing comes. So,
Yeah, true.
So, so yeah, let's go.